What's going on YouTube? So I told someone I was gonna make this video and I completely forgot until I got a message from them 6 minutes ago, and I gathered up everything I need and come out here to show y'all. So first thing, let me flip this around, see if I can use, there we go. Alright, so I don't need that. Alright, so as you see, driver door. By the way, this is for putting jack and jack stands and all that under your car to change your oil. You see there's two notches right there. Bottomed out on something, but I would put your jack about right here, just behind them, and then put your jack stands right there. And it's the exact same thing on the other side. It's towards the front. It's like right about there. Yeah, right there, just behind that piece. Oh. Let me see if this car has this option. Oh. Nope. Some cars will have a bar. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend going for that one way back there, but some cars will have a bar that runs down the center here, and you can use that to lift up the front end. Now before you do all this, make sure the parking brake is on, and for extra security I would chalk the back tires, or tire, that's up to you, but that's just extra precaution. But another thing I forgot to mention at the end of my video, after you top off your oil and it's good, run it, cut it off. You can run it for however, usually you do it after you check the leaks, but you run it, check for leaks, cut it off, and you check your dipstick. It's gonna be a hair low, especially with these little filters. It's not really gonna be all that low, but it's still gonna be a hair low, and you just top it off. It's not gonna take but a drop or two. These cars don't take much oil, and that extra small filter really doesn't. But I hope this was helpful. It's really short, but my bad, I forgot to mention that last time. It just slipped my mind since I had the ramps. Jesus. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. Just my thing with using jacks is make sure you're safe and make sure you can get out from underneath the car as quickly as possible, because if something shifts just right, it could easily fall on you. Whereas with ramps, it would have to crush the ramps unless you got it hanging off the ramps. Then you should have backed up or put it how you needed it before. But yeah, I think that covered everything. If you got any further questions, put it in the comments. I'll make another video where I'll try to explain it in the comments. I don't know if I did a good job with that. It's kind of hard for me to explain in text. That's why I'd rather make a video and get out here and show you, even though it's like 8 o'clock at night and I was about to lay down for bed. But that was my fault, I forgot. But yeah, like I said, I hope this was useful. Later. Just wanted to add here at the end, I forgot to mention it while I was out there, of course, but you also don't have to buy a jack. You can use the one that comes with your car, if you've got it. I know some people take all that stuff out for more space, but if you've got it, then yeah, you can use the jack for your that comes with your car. Hope y'all enjoyed.